A digital voice recorder captures clear audio for meetings, interviews, lectures, and personal note-taking efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best digital voice recorder that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Evida Digital Voice Recorder. The V618 digital voice recorder is a versatile and high-performance device ideal for students, professionals, and content creators. Equipped with an upgraded noise-canceling microphone and professional recording chip, it captures crystal-clear audio at up to 1,536 kilobits per second PCM quality. With 128 GB storage, it can hold up to 9,296 hours of recordings, 40,000 songs, or 54 hours of continuous recording, and supports MP3 or WAV formats for flexibility. The voice-activated recording feature with 6 adjustable decibel levels ensures only relevant audio is captured, minimizing unwanted silence or background noise. Beyond recording, it functions as a USB flash drive and MP3 player, while its 4-folder system, A/B/C/D, keeps files organized. Additional features like password protection, A/B repeat, autorecord, and bookmarks enhance usability for lectures, meetings, interviews, and speeches. Fast file transfer to computers and a rechargeable battery make it reliable for long-term use. Backed by responsive customer service, the V618 is a dependable and multifunctional audio solution. Now our second product is Tonfarb Digital Voice Recorder. The PCM Digital Voice Recorder is a high-quality, portable device designed for students, journalists, professionals, and music enthusiasts. Equipped with dual noise reduction microphones and 1536 kbps PCM HD recording, it captures crystal-clear audio while automatically minimizing background noise. Its voice-activated recording ensures that only speech is recorded, saving memory and reducing unnecessary sound. With 8 GB built-in storage plus a complimentary 128 GB TF card, it can hold up to 9,000 hours of recordings in MP3 or WAV format. The 1,100 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 68 hours of continuous use, perfect for lectures, meetings, or interviews. One-click record and save functionality allows instant recording even when powered off, and USB-C connectivity makes file transfer fast and secure. The user-friendly interface features a large LCD screen, A/B repeat, and password protection for easy operation and secure storage. Lightweight at 97 grams with a durable metal casing, this recorder is ideal for on-the-go, reliable, and professional audio capture. Our third product is Soundcore Digital Voice Recorder. The Soundcore Work is a cutting-edge, ultra-compact digital voice recorder designed for secure, efficient, and intelligent transcription. With a weight of just 10 g and a diameter of 23.2 mm, it can be clipped to a collar, worn around the neck, or attached to its magnetic charging case for instant recording with a single button press. Privacy is a priority. Audio and transcriptions are encrypted with AES-256 and stored locally, while cloud-based transcription is temporary and deleted immediately after processing, all under SOC2 Type 1 certified framework. The device is MFi certified for Apple compatibility and also works with most Android devices. GPT-powered transcription delivers up to 97% accuracy in over 140 languages, distinguishes between speakers, and automatically generates structured summaries with smart templates. The Pro plan adds advanced features like combining multiple recordings into one summary. The package includes the recorder, USB-C cable, necklace chain, and magnetic ring, making it a portable, secure, and professional tool for meetings, interviews, and lectures. Now number 4, Zoom Digital Voice Recorder. The Zoom H1 Essential Handy Recorder Bundle is a complete solution for capturing professional quality audio. The package includes the recorder itself, a 32 GB micro SDHC card, a lavalier condenser microphone, a furry windscreen, for AAA batteries, and a cleaning cloth. Everything needed to start recording immediately. Its standout feature is 32-bit float recording, which eliminates the need to constantly adjust levels, capturing every detail with pristine clarity. The onboard X/Y microphones deliver loud, clean sound up to 120 dB SPL, making it suitable for everything from interviews to high-intensity environments. Additional features like overdubbing, pre-record, auto-record, and adjustable playback speed give users full control over their recordings. Podcasters and storytellers will appreciate its versatility, mounted on a tripod for sit-down conversations or use mono mode for mobile interviews. Lightweight and portable, the H1 Essential is ideal for journalists, content creators, musicians, and anyone seeking reliable, high-quality audio capture on the go. And our last choice is QTIA Digital Voice Recorder. The portable digital voice recorder is a reliable and efficient tool for capturing clear audio in classrooms, meetings, and training sessions. Its smart noise reduction chip ensures recordings are crisp and free from background interference, making playback more enjoyable and professional. Security is prioritized with a power-on password, preventing unauthorized access to your recorded files. The smart voice-activated recording feature automatically starts when sound is detected and pauses during silence, filtering out unnecessary noise, saving storage, and improving listening efficiency. Users can easily listen to recordings through multiple options: the device's built-in speaker, headphones, a mobile phone, or a computer, offering versatile playback choices. Additionally, the scheduled recording function allows the device to start recording automatically at a preset time, ensuring no important discussion or lecture is missed. Lightweight, portable, and packed with intelligent features, this voice recorder is an ideal solution for students, professionals, and anyone who values high-quality, secure, and convenient audio recording. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.